What's up, y'all? Real quick, I just wanted to give y'all a deal from Elf, because I get promotion emails or whatever, till the 19th. If you purchase $25 worth of makeup or whatever, if you put in the promotion code SPRING, that's SPRING, SPRING, you can get an 11-piece brush set for $3. And this brush set is normally $30. So that's kind of a deal. So I'm not gonna get it because I got enough brushes. I wish I could. I think I need to buy another powder brush though, because I love it and I can't find mine. But Elf is having a sale, 90% off of brushes. Just put in the the promo code SPRING after purchasing at least $25 worth of products, and that's a deal because a lot of their products are $1, $2. Because you seen all the stuff I did in my last haul. I had 19 items and I only paid $28. So that's it. Still got my twist up. I'm taking them down Saturday because I'm going out, so I'm gonna rock a twist out. But ooh, sticking up. Anywho's,